Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to build an effective email marketing strategy using HubSpot step by step, designed for business growth in 2026. Let's get started. An email marketing strategy in HubSpot helps you connect with your audience, nurture leads, and drive consistent conversions. Success starts with a clear plan and the right setup. First, define your goals. Decide whether your emails are meant to generate leads, nurture prospects, promote offers, or retain customers. Clear goals help you measure success accurately. Next, organize your contact database. Use HubSpot CRM to clean and segment contacts based on lifecycle stage, interests, behavior, or engagement level. Proper segmentation ensures your emails reach the right audience. Now, plan your email content. Create different types of emails such as welcome emails, educational newsletters, promotional campaigns, and follow-up emails. Your content should always provide value and solve a problem for the reader. Use HubSpot's email tool to design professional emails. Choose responsive templates and customize them with your brand, colors, logo, and tone. Add personalization tokens like first name or company name to increase engagement. Timing and consistency are important. Use HubSpot Analytics to identify the best days and times to send emails. Maintain a regular sending schedule to build trust with your audience. To scale your strategy, use workflows and automation. Set up automated email sequences for lead nurturing, onboarding, or follow-ups. Add delays and if-then branches to personalize the journey based on user behavior. Test and optimize your emails. Use A/B testing to compare subject lines, content, and send times. Small changes can significantly improve open and click rates. Track performance using HubSpot reports, monitor open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and unsubscribes. Use these insights to continuously improve your strategy. In summary, building an email marketing strategy with HubSpot requires clear goals, smart segmentation, valuable content, automation, and analytics. When done correctly, HubSpot helps you create scalable email campaigns that drive real results in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.